Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another product description. Today we're looking at Aldi spaghetti hoops. And they say Aldi spaghetti hoops, what's in it? Well, that's what's in it, guys. Take a look at that. Pause it if you want to get the gist with what's in it. Anyway, enough of that bollocks. Let's get on and opening this up. Now, last time I did a video on this, guys, as you all know, it was Heinz spaghetti hoops, and they tasted crap. And I've had a few people actually commenting about that, saying about how disappointed they were with Heinz. Part of the reason was they just didn't add enough sugar in it. Now, I know everyone's watching their calories, watching the weight and stuff, I get it. But really, Heinz, it just totally took the taste away. Now I'm expecting big things from this. Right, it's only a cheap brand. But hey guys, you know, if you buy this sort of thing every week, the costs add up and you want to know that, you know, you're getting your money's worth. I mean, money's money now, and, you know, we're watching every dollar. So let's just see how good this product is. I'm going to pause this video and be back in a second. Alright guys, this is pretty much done. I'm going to give my honest opinion. Let's have a little taste of this one. Alright, okay. Tasteless, to be honest. Absolutely fucking horrible. It's nothing in it. Nah, I wouldn't rate that at all. It's kind of like, you know, it feels like they've just added way too much vinegar or some shit like that. It's not enough sugar. No, definitely wouldn't recommend that, guys. That's just my opinion. Thanks for watching. As always, you're a bunch of stars for coming along and supporting my channel. You really are good quality people. And I will catch you in the next one.